ArcReach heating systems help welding operations self-perform preheat with the benefits of induction heating. As part of the ArcReach technology platform, the heater is an accessory for select ArcReach welding power sources. This simple and cost-effective heating process delivers fast and consistent heat for preheating of welds. Applications that would typically require hours to heat can be done in minutes utilizing induction heating. In addition to the simplicity and efficiency, the ArcReach heating system solves many key issues in today's environment. ArcReach heating systems allow preheating to be insourced. It eliminates cost overruns common with contractors and uses existing fleet welding equipment as the power source. The ArcReach heater uses primary power already in place for welding power source, which results in lower electrician costs when compared to resistance electrical requirements. Productivity is gained by eliminating delays due to transitions between the heating crew and welding crew. It allows welding contractors to run their own schedule and not be dependent on anyone else's, so timelines can be achieved. Welding contractors have control over documentation of joint temperatures, saving time when reporting. It helps create safer job sites by using induction as the heating method.